Welcome to Best Car Items. We are a team of car maintenance and decoration enthusiasts who deals worldwide in car tools and stuff to make your ride and car enjoyable on the road. We believe that cars were meant to be enjoyed and not managed. We provide all the cool tools to help car owners enjoy their cars regardless of what type or model of car they own. Our features: shipping to 230 countries. Our store operates worldwide and you can enjoy free delivery of all products. 100% safe payment. Buy with confidence using the world's most secure payment methods. 100+ successful deliveries. Our buyer protection covers your purchase from click to delivery. Our clients love us. We offer best service and great prices on high-quality products. We cover every type of car. Our products are wide enough and covered almost every car. Our mission is to make every single car looks fabulous. Learn more and shop now. BestCarItems.com